If I'm injured, go man in sitting there. Make him blood clot dead out, so. I want to come pass the blood clot place with me. Dirty Bigfoot. I don't know if your foot big, so you're thick, so. And if you're, that's why they tell us, say, you see, man, they love gym. They never have nothing yet in them pants. Because then gym out, then cock. Come back gym in gym out in cock. Inside gym in gym out in cock. You don't know that. So the guy gym and in here with gym out your cock and you don't know. I gym in gym out in cock.
Oh, so that work? Yes,
in gym it out. In gym it out. I watch you love. I just say like you see man, that's why I tell you saying take for you. Any boy see with them cocky look bit, they love taking at them batty. Yeah, me tell a keen love take fuck. I ask me them America, me that fuck out her hole. Me that mash up her blood. Any me that fuck out her hole. Me that mash up her, I that make you shit up herself. Me do slab without clot. Me say, me that mash up her blood clot. Me say keen, me that angle yo. You come a blood clot him for. Me and your friend, me not like you, me not like see me eat like a paizo.
Lamar, me never did that go.
No call my blood clot name dirty, nasty batty man where I can suck cock in a soldier army. No call me name dirty germs. You're rich in a foreigner, you can't show in your blood clot house.
Later,
rich man turn on your blood clot live. You're rich in a foreigner, you do fake marriage and blood clot rich and no call me name so cold. You can't blood clot face me because you know say pure truth me attack. Face blood clot me. Face me. Cause them know you suck cock in the army in a blood clot. Jamaica face me. Yes, blood clot me. Yes, so you run gun, you know what I talk. Hey boy, I'm tell you something. Don't come about me. I can't find the video. And send it to mountain. When you run gun, hey, add him back. Come on in now. 9 o'clock. Add him back. Get him back, Paya Lemar. I'm not afraid of nobody are your bad. And you're mighty. So get him back. Wicked and I, you know. Get him back. Get back your old sour crutches. Boy in a bed can't show. You talk about you rich and you can't show nothing. Every year you come in, your blood clot car. Where you pay down pan. Move your dirty nano batty blood clot and go. You drop out. All you walk. You about to brr. You about to just a bust like a gun so. Move your blood cable strong good. You came out strong good. The day when you have on the white tights and you play the netball with the girl, me say a pure blood clot blood a bleed out. A pure blood. All the girl tell us say keen something wrong. They tell us say it's down in a blood clot red something that time they have your body a leak. And upon life, me say I quickly him end the blood clot like keen move your dirty nano body blood clots. Keen nano body a blood clot your body drop out. And that's why I say a pure suck your suck and lick body. And take fucking your body because you nano body. Yeah, only somebody missing band with nobody are big and thick, so. But too bad you have somebody man them body look good. Your one no look good. Me say your one's all your pit by your hand. Me say the day me ignorant. And me think say that man. Never know your woman. Me think say that man for true. When me on the panic call and he said more video girl and sit no. And me and him there actually delete the video because what they might tell somebody say me have a video. But me delete it, me I tell say what I mean on my phone and me I find him. Look for a video, me delete every blood clot thing out of this phone here. Everything, every mix up every blood clot. Delete everything. I mean I have no backup when me save the things them from. Me say body lick a bit, one lick or something, me love the garden and belly. That's why I don't think I lay a man this. Lady. That's why I know say Richard a fuck you. That's why I know say Richard a ring out your blood clot pussy. And no matter of fact, first thing, my love, me not even want to talk something. First and foremost, black my mouth.
They still attack.
Is they married?
They married?
They married in do man him do F marriage. But me say now work out. Cause something Richard must see something I must have in his system. Them do they do fake marriage. You never know. Yes.
Okay,
I mean, you want to come argue with me and you can't argue with Roger have a whole heap of picture of them.
Roger.
And I me want to come argue with stinking kid.
If a dirty Roger.
Look at no classy boy, cause the boy no do nothing. Me never
So,
pussy boy.
all like everybody where they comfy.
Oh,
Like everybody where me touch down there with Keem.
you like blood clap from the next one. Me just say, in can't go cause you have a video them. Key no better. Key no better. Key worse. Key wa call it how much battle and sucker. Where they suck good they gone. Where they all grab a bars, my next blood clot, where him gone.
You don't know, I know. Yeah, like I'm Wi-Fi still there.
And then Wi-Fi. Then lucky. Where my call me name from the life good one, me trouble him. Anytime you call me name, I gotta make him report him blood clot page. Me I say go over there, go walk. Go walk Team Destiny, go and walk. Where the old dirty sucker, grab a bazak. You think I want number me I put out, I gonna put out the rest of them. Remember say I treat me a fear no pussy breath. On my phone. Remember say I treat blood clot me a fear no sucker. Remember say I treat number, remember say no. I treat number me a fear no. Girl, me no want go there, so me I tell us if I want to go to one of them near the Eiffel Tower. Me no want go that one there. One we have the view, me no want go there so.
Oh, God.
Me do not want, me no want go that one there, no. Me no want go that one. I want go the one near the Eiffel Tower. When me can see the view of the Eiffel Tower. I said, out in the far from the Eiffel Tower. So that one them I want to go. Me no want to go there so. Nah, make no sense to me. Which bleaching cream balm you use? Volume 40.
The boy will come back, Ryan.
I lock off him invoice. But anytime they pan live and he say me no request, me I go tell him for SC mother. Oh. And him lock off him invoice for spite. And when blood clot king the pan live and talk about me never hear him say me never hear him say stop and me never hear him say him is a blood clot hypocrite. Him is a blood him the next one who want to take body in a fear hole.
Thank you, Za, for the hearts.
Me class cause them can't come about me.
What's up, Wilbert?
Look here now, I'm going to find him back. Me I go stay for me live.
Alright, Destiny.
Bam.
Somebody tell him if he can't add me back. Somebody tell Lamar if he add Bams. Don't go to Lamar's go say add Bams.
What time is it where you are?
It's around 11 o'clock.
Oh, wow. Okay. That's pretty early compared to over here.
Yeah.
Are you getting tired?
A little bit. You want to tell me a bedtime story while I go to my bed?
I'm not a great storyteller.
Well, you have any history? You have any past, any fun past you could tell me about while I go to my bed?
We don't. I'm sorry, we don't. But we can wish you a good night's sleep.
That's it.
It's given on island.
You could read to me or something like that. You don't have a book you could read to me?
I don't know. I just wanna take it slow and just yeah. Yeah, but it was nice meeting you today. I had a lot of fun. It was nice meeting your friends also. You're a funny person. And yeah, I wanna hang out some more.